Our vision at VP.Start is to establish a modern technology firm headquartered in Phnom Penh that will lead Cambodia into the fourth industrial revolution. This will be accomplished by adhering to our mission of developing a more efficient nationwide market system using the Internet of Things. VP.Start implement the strategy of upgrading without replacing existing infrastructure, ensuring a better cost-benefit ratio for the client. We hope the Internet of Things can help bring greater control, higher safety, and improve everyone's productivity to make our country more prosperous. Thank you so much.